Tron wallet and how to use it for registration on Forsage. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to if you are on Android, which I'm using, you go to Play Store and download and search for Tron wallet. So let's just go there, though I've already installed it, but let me just go take you through it briefly. It's in many ways similar to the Trust wallet. So you just go to your Play Store, type Tron wallet and search. Then you will see something like this. This is the icon, the logo. So you just click to install. After successfully installing, you open it. Remember, during installation, you're going to be asked to write out your passkey, 12-word phrase passkey. Make sure you keep them safe. Write them outside of your phone. Don't store it on your phone, please, for security reasons. So after successfully logging in, your Tron wallet will open up with 3 tokens by default, 3 coins by default. The first one being Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and TRX. TRX is the coins for the Tron Block Chain. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through briefly how to, if you already have Ethereum and you want to convert it to Tron TRX so that you can use it to register for your Forsage, then I'm going to take you through it briefly. So I'm going to open my Ethereum account on my Tron wallet. Click on this to open it, the main account which I've already set up during installation. Now this is my Ethereum address wallet in my Tron wallet. This is my Ethereum address here, so I can simply just copy it. Okay, you can see I can click on copy. Can you see the button up there on the above, just above the address? You see the button here. Okay, just above this Ethereum main account address, you see the button there. Just click on it. It will share you copy to clipboard. Okay, so I haven't done that. All I need to do now is to go to my Trust wallet, since I have Ethereum there to transfer. I mean, for those of us that actually have Ethereum in our Trust wallet that we need to transfer, just open your Trust wallet and log in. And after logging in, you will be shown whatever you have in your Ethereum. Currently, I don't have any because I've transferred, but all you just need to do is simple. You want to send your Ethereum coins to your Ethereum address in your Tron wallet. So all you just need is click on the send button, and to the 3 buttons you have the send, the receive, and the copy. So I'm going to say send. Then the address I need to paste, I'll just, since I've already copied to paste to clipboard, I'll just hold it down, then paste the address. Okay, then I enter the amount of Ethereum I want to send. I don't have any, so I'm just putting 00 just for demonstration purpose. So I click on that. I need to confirm, then I'll just click confirm, and then it will be sent. And when it is sent, it will show you here the processes, and it will show you there's pending. Okay, and when it's successfully sent, it will show you sent. So you can go back to your Tron wallet. Okay, when you go back to your Tron wallet and log in, you should be able to see the coins, the tokens, your wallet, the cryptocurrencies you have sent from your Ethereum wallet down to your Tron wallet, Ethereum wallet as well. So it should be there. So let me quickly log in and let's see. So on success, you should be able to see the Ethereum showing here. Okay, it should show right here. And if you want to now convert, all you need to do is click on the Ethereum logo there, then you select okay, we want to convert from Ethereum actually. Okay, so we should select Ethereum, then we copy the address of the Ethereum. We want to convert from, okay, we've done that already, we've already transferred Ethereum here, so we want to convert to TRX. Okay, now look downwards, you will see 3 buttons underneath the Tron wallet. You see about 5 buttons, 5 buttons from left, 1 2 3 4 5. Then you will see that. Now if you count 1 2 3 4, the fourth one is the swap. That's fourth from left or second from the right. Just click on it. You see S dollar in under two arrows. That is the swap button. Now you want to swap from Ethereum to TRX. So on the second option, you choose TRX. Okay, you can now see from Ethereum to TRX. Now you click under the Ethereum. You click on the 0. And if you want to send everything, choose 100%. Okay, and if you want to send everything from Ethereum, to swap whatever you have in Ethereum to TRX, and if it is 75% of what you have in Ethereum, you want to convert to TRX, you choose 75%. Okay, so on success, okay, when you have done that, all you just need to do is confirm. But the minimum required, the amount I have here is not up to the minimum required, so it will not go. But others just it, so you confirm it, and the transaction will go through. So having done that, your fund would have been converted, would have been swapped from Ethereum to your TRX, and you'll be able to see your TRX balance. So if you want to check your balance, just click on the Ethereum icon showing that it is, click on TRX and click on main account. When you do that, it should be able to show you what you have in your TRX balance. So from here you can decide what you want to do next. Okay, so let's assume that we've done all we need to do and we want to register for Forsage. You come to the very first icon here, which is the browser. You click on it. Then you type the address of your referrer, whoever has referred you. Type the address right here and type it. Okay, so I already have it, mine stored here, so I just click on this and it's going to open. You can see trx.forsage.io. okay, so it will load. There you click on automatic login, automatic registration. Then the process will start the registration immediately, and it will also show you the ID of your referrer for confirmation. It's as simple as that. If you have any question, please feel free to send us a message on our Telegram channel or over our WhatsApp page. I hope this is helpful.